What's up, YouTube? Working on a 03 Honda Civic, doing some quick release bumper mounts. Some of the cheap ones off Amazon. My bumper keeps falling off, so I figured this will hold it on there. Hey Bob, what's up? What's going on, Bob? All right, so pretty much all you're gonna do is you're gonna take these. They come with washers and nuts, little Allen wrench, 10mm nuts. You're gonna like pick your spot on your bumper wherever you want it. Like I got mine laid out right here. I've seen people mount them here, you know, here, this way, whichever way. It's pretty much a, you know, you pick what you like. So I'm gonna drill some holes and mount these up, tie my band around it. Your washer. You're gonna put the washer on first, obviously. The nut only goes on one way. Nylock. 10mm wrench on the back side. Take your Allen wrench right here on the front. There's a little hole. Stick the Allen wrench in it. Tighten it down. We'll get nice and snug. You know, that's holding your fender on. Just a cheap alternative to fixing the actual bumper mounts, and it kind of looks cool. Oh, I dropped my washer. Band, stick it on, flip it once, flip it over. There you go.